In this video, we're going to be looking at making use of highlights as well as cell styles in in our Excel spreadsheet. So to do this, to give color or to highlight information, what we can do is we can select a cell and just come up to this full color option and paste. That is basically how we make use of highlighting in Excel. And then the other one, which is quite a nice little tool option, is our cell styles. So I'm going to just highlight everything here or select it, and we're going to come up here to format styles or cell styles, sorry. And we can choose good, bad, normal, bad, good, neutral, or we can take up here, okay? Themes, 20% accent 1, alright. We can just select what we're after. So that is how you employ cell styles. Okay, I'm just going to select for now. Here, sky blue 40%, accent 5. Now let's go 20%. So that is a cell style. Okay, so that is how you make use of cell styles as well as highlighting in Excel.